Hi there creative Tartanites, thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you an artist trading card process video. It is the very first one as a member of the Sherpa Design Team. What's supposed to happen is I'm supposed to get a box of art supplies and then make the video using the art supplies contained within the box. However, as I live in Scotland, which is considered the back of beyond for some people, I've not actually received my box yet. But never fear, I already own an art Sherpa Cat's tongue. Now this is a number 4 cat's tongue, and I also own some golden paints. Now as this is my first ATC and I didn't receive the box, so I really don't have an awful lot of time to actually design my own ATC, I thought it would be really fun to experience an art tutorial from the Art Sherpa. With the Art Sherpa's permission, I have picked one of her videos and I am going to show you my experience. I have my sippy, I have my wishes on my ATC. Let's get started.
This trick I'm doing is going to allow me working into this white. If you remember Bob Ross at all, he used to do this liquid white on his canvas first. And this is sort of the acrylic version of that trick. And I'm going to come right here above where I have my little band. And I'm taking it up the canvas, kind of getting the pigment off my brush. And then I go back and forth. Watch this cool trick. I'm going to come down into that wet white paint. And I'm going to get a beautiful fade right here. Can you guys see that? Isn't that fantastic?
I'm so glad I can finally reveal to you that the theme for this card is hope. Speaking of hope, I would love to give hope back to some children and their families across the world. So throughout the month of May, I am campaigning to raise funds for St Judes, which is a children's research hospital.
So I'm going to come sweep down. If there's the halfway point of canvas, I'm going to sweep down below the halfway point. And I'm going to sweep up. I like to have little bumps on my mouth, but I'll probably do that more with paint. And I'm going to sweep off at a slightly higher angle off to the right. Just my turquoise, my pure turquoise. And I'm going to paint this on here. Just bringing this down. Come up to the top of my mountain. I'm going to take my little brush. I'm going to make sure my mountain has some bumps. I'll come with a clean edge brush like one of my Sherpa brushes in a second. But I've got a lot of scumbly blending to do. Sometimes when you're painting, right, you're going to have to find another way to get that transition that you're looking to get.
For those of you who are interested in helping me either raise some funds or to raise some awareness for this amazing organisation, I'll leave links in the description below.
I'm coming on the corner of the brush. I'm going to scumble me some foggy bits coming up my mountain. See what I'm doing? Scumbling up some foggy bits. So this is just a wiggle, and my patterns will be up and down.
When trying to decide which one of the amazing videos that the Art Sherpa has done, I felt that this one of Mount Fuji was the one that spoke to me most about hope. For one, it is a dormant volcano, and the other reason is because of the blossom trees. Now, for me, blossoms really signify spring, which is new life, and new life signifies hope.
And I'm going to get some just white on here. And then I come to the top of my mountain, and I'm going to just pull down in a dry brush some snow. And our sun. The outer edge of our sun is the darkest, and then as we come towards the center of this particular sun, we do kind of like a nice lightning effect. And that takes a couple layers. Okay guys, so just know that you're like a couple layers in. There is not a right or wrong to your sun. If your sun came out more orange, fine, that's okay. Here's what. See how they're shorter back here? As this comes up, they'll get longer. And I'm going to wind this, think of a snake or something that zigs and zags back and forth in its movement. Oftentimes here we like to say Jackie Chan. Give a Jackie Chan this line. And I'll paint in first this branch. It's going to be thickest here at the base. I've got it about an inch thick at the base. Okay. I'm going to come up with my brush at first and just get it painted in. And I will thicken it once it's laid in. Okay. Now as I'm coming out, I am lightening my brush pressure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get right on the hair of my brush and make that little feathered tip of that branch. I'm going to come back, stroking downward to thicken on this side. Come down here. I'll harden those angles and join up with the thickness of my branch.
As we're coming to the end of this video, I just thought I'd pop in and share with you some of my thoughts. This has been a fun experience, miniaturising to ATC size, which is 2.5 by 3.5 inches. A painting tutorial by the Art Sherpa, and I will leave a link to her video in the iCard. So if you're interested in doing it for yourself, go and check it out. While I'm painting on the blossoms of my blossom trees, I would just like to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as I have painting. I will be designing and producing an ATC process video monthly, so if you don't want to miss out on future videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that bell so YouTube will give you the notifications. Please hit that like button and don't forget to check out all the other awesome artists that are part of the Art Sherpa Design Team, and I will leave links in the description and probably in the iCard. Bye for now, and I will leave the last word to Cinnamon, our Art Sherpa.
Oh my gosh, we blossomed all the blossoms. Guys, we blossomed them all.